Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut. This traditional fermented food is surprisingly simple to prepare at home, needing just 2 main ingredients. We'll cover the basic steps, from selecting your cabbage to the final fermentation process. You'll learn how to achieve that perfect tangy flavor and crisp texture, ensuring a delicious and safe batch every time. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey. First, prepare your cabbage by removing any outer leaves and shredding it finely, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick strips. Next, add a precise amount of salt, typically 2% of the cabbage's weight, and massage it in for about 10 minutes. This action helps draw out the water, creating the brine. Then, pack the salted cabbage very tightly into a clean, food-grade jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. It's crucial that all the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine throughout the fermentation process. Use a fermentation weight or a small, clean jar filled with water to keep everything pressed down. Place your jar in a cool, dark spot, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to ferment for 3 to 4 weeks, checking periodically to ensure the cabbage stays submerged and to release any built-up gases. Once your sauerkraut has reached your desired tanginess, it's time to move it to cold storage. Transfer the jar to your refrigerator, where it will continue to slowly ferment and can last for several months. Sauerkraut is a fantastic addition to many meals, offering a bright, tangy counterpoint. Remember, to preserve its beneficial probiotics, avoid heating it excessively. Enjoy it cold or gently warmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.